Sudhakar Kanchatla garu to give the welcome address.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Vice President Garu, Sri Venkaiah Naidu Garu, and Vedic Alankarinchiనటువంటి Cinematography Minister, Government of Telangana, Talsani Srinivas Yadav Garu, అదేవిధంగా పద్మభూషణ్ ఇండియన్ ఫిల్మ్ యాక్టర్ అండ్ ఫార్మర్ యూనియన్ మినిస్టర్ చిరంజీవి గారికి, అండ్ ఇండియన్ ఫార్మర్ క్రికెట్ టీమ్ కెప్టెన్ అజరుద్దీన్ గారికి, అదేవిధంగా ఇండియన్ నేషనల్ కోచ్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ శ్రీ పుల్లల గోపిచంద్ గారికి, అండ్ ఇండియన్ గ్రాండ్ మాస్టర్ చెస్ ద్రోణవల్లి హారిక గారికి, విష్ చేసిన ఈ అకేషన్ని బ్లెస్ చేయడానికి వచ్చినటువంటి అతిరథి మహారాజులు అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డైనమైట్ లీడర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ది స్పోర్ట్స్ పీపుల్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, అందరికీ నా వెరీ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్, అండ్ ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది యోధా లైఫ్ లైన్ డయాగ్నోస్టిక్స్. అండ్ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్, లైక్ ఎంతోమంది డాక్టర్స్ అండ్ అదర్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ లీడర్స్ who visited to bless us our premise today, and వీళ్ళందరికీ నా ప్రత్యేక కృతజ్ఞతలండి. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇది నా పేరు సుధాకర్ కంచర్లా అండి, ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ మై సెల్ఫ్, అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ డాలస్ టెక్సస్ ఇన్ యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్, and we have well established diagnostic clinical reference laboratories located in 3 states in United States: Virginia, Alabama, and Texas. So we are serving throughout the country, having 3 facilities located in 3 big states in United States. So we have well established infrastructure with cutting edge technology, and we have domains both IT and healthcare. We introduced both healthcare and IT, and we are building robust systems in healthcare, and that's why we were able to grow very big. Like we are doing almost like 100 million revenue in 4 years in United States. So, and I visited last time during the COVID pandemic time in India, and I have seen some tests will be available at one location and some tests will be available in different locations, and some tests still will go, being though Hyderabad is one of the emerging city in India, but still we have all the infrastructure, we have all we need, and we have good healthcare organizations. But in spite of all these things, I feel still there is lack of single roof infrastructure at one location. So I thought, like, why can't we do something in India and bring all the diagnostic clinical reference laboratory services under one roof? And that's where it started, and we were able to finish this facility and able to launch this in 90 days period of time. 90 days lo idi finish cheyagalgamandi, and we bought all the technologies and equipments from other countries, Germany, US, and different multinational companies who supplies medical equipments. So there are so many diagnostic laboratories, and so many of the people thinking that because of pandemic, diagnostics is one of the business area in healthcare where we can make a lot of money. But that's not the reason why we came here, and we want to build an infrastructure in our Telugu states, that too in Hyderabad, under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji garu gaani, leapte under the leadership of local government like Chandrasekhar Rao garu. We want to build a one roof infrastructure in healthcare diagnostics. That's our main aim, and in the next 4 years I can promise to all my guests who visited this occasion and blessing us, we're going to build a world class infrastructure. In future, someone should not think of going to United States of Mayo Clinic or somewhere to do their clinical tests. They can think of Yoda can provide all the tests that are available in the world, can be able to accommodate in one of our locations. So we'll keep that in our mind, sir, as our milestone, and I will try to build it in the next few years. And we are well equipped with genetics. Like this laboratory is not just a other routine diagnostics laboratory. This is well equipped with the genetics based. Genetics is the future of our generations in healthcare system, which gonna play very vital role. మనం హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళి ఒక డాక్టర్ దగ్గర మెడికేషన్స్ తీసుకొని ఆ మెడికేషన్స్ వాడటం వల్ల ఇంకొక కాంప్లికేషన్స్ తెచ్చుకునే ప్రాక్టీస్లో ఉన్నాము. బట్ we introduced some personalized genomics, so where we can control and we can say based on our Indian population genotype of the body, we can tell like what kind of drug will fit into a particular individual and all. All these kind of latest technologies, methodologies, and innovatives we are bringing first time into Hyderabad, and we're gonna rock it in healthcare diagnostics definitely, and we're gonna play a major role, and we are planning to extend all our services throughout the India in all metropolitan cities in the coming 2-3 years, Andy. And thank you once again for my chief guest, and also for the other people, the dignitaries and the respected people who came to bless us today. And thank you very much.